This is $11 going 6.5 miles.
Good morning. Thank you for choosing Starbucks. Can I start you off with some food today? All right. Have a good day.
Me too.
Thank you.
I'm really trusting this pin on the map because I don't know where I'm supposed to be going. Hopefully this is the right place.
Appreciate it, thank you.
Okay, that works for me. It said to leave it right outside the door and call them on arrival. I just wasn't sure if that was even the right place because it's like pitch black. Luckily they came out to get me. Got the next order. This one's going to be on Earn by Time. The current rate is $17 an hour. This one is Starbucks going 6 miles. Okay, I see somebody inside, so this one's bound to be open, right? Hello.
How are you?
Good. I'm a pickup for Satu.
Yeah, I got you right there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This order is a hand to customer, by the way. In the instructions, it says, in the second door, no main office. What does that mean? What does that mean? I have no clue. Okay, I'm assuming this is the main office. This might be the second door? No. Maybe? I don't know. Unless you mean the warehouse door. Hello.
Hello.
What was the name for it?
Sato?
Yes. There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Okay, that settles that. Total for that order was $9. Finally got the next order. This is going to be going back to Starbucks. This one's going to be 3.5 miles.
There you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Bro. Yeah, we're not doing that. Oh, and they didn't tip. Yeah, we're definitely not doing that then. Total for that was under $3. At least we got the next one right away. This is a stack. I think it's going to the same person. We got Seize the Bagel and Black Rock Coffee going 6 miles.
Not so bad. The lady was ordered first, but this is Matt's.
Thank you.
Have a good day. There's that for you.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day.
You too. Total for that was $10, and we got the next one. This is Seize the Bagel going 2 miles.
There's that for you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Total for that order was $4. Next up, we've got a Voodoo Donut. This one's going 10 miles. Oh my goodness. Okay, they just gave me an add-on order going an additional mile. So I've got a feeling this will at least even out. Maybe even be worth it.
Here are those both for you.
Thank you.
Of course, you have a good rest of your day.
You too. Hello. Thank you. Yep. Have a good day. Total for those two ended up being $21. Was that worth it? The mileage was still pretty high, but I think that was just barely worth it. Okay, I got the next order pretty much right away. This is a Kitchen Table Cafe, $9 going 4 miles.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. There you are. Have a good one. Next up, we've got a Taco Bell going 6 miles.
No drinks. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $4 and change. Just got the next order. This is Starbucks, $8 and change, going 4.5 miles.
There was, yeah, that is. I'm like, where is it? Here's that.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A going 5.5 miles.
Good morning. Are you picking up Jake?
Yes.
Beautiful. We're working on it and I'll have it up shortly.
Gotcha. Thank you. Oh, this is going all the way upstairs. Total for that order was $8 and change. Just got the next order. This is gonna be Victorico's going 2 miles. I'm gonna guess there's no tip on this one. Just a wild guess. Thank you.
Have a good one.
For Blaine. Did I call it or did I call it? Total for that was $3. And we're going back to Victorico's. I think this one is going 5 miles.
Is that Eric? Eric?
Yeah, this is for her. This is Drew and...
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Another no tip. Love that. Total for that was $5. And we got the next one. This is Black Girl Coffee going a mile.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. I think I'm going right here. Their thing says, yes, I know it's in my parking lot. I just can't close the shop to get a coffee. Hello, Katie? Yes. Total for that was $4. Somebody in the same parking lot is tipping, but someone that's like 6 miles away isn't. I'm gonna start driving towards home. If I don't get a good order by the time I get there, I'm just gonna call it. Current time is 9:49. Total, we are at 102. That's pretty good, actually. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.